Hi, I'm Cass, and I run Making Time for You Pilates in Melville, Western Australia. The best thing about running a studio is the community, the connections. As everybody walks in the door, this is the start of our seniors class on a Sunday morning, and many of these clients have been coming every single Sunday for nearly 5 years. And I have another instructor also, Jody, that does every second Sunday. But it's so nice to welcome people as they walk in the door, say hi, how are they feeling, how are they going. They come in rain, hail, or shine, and I just absolutely adore them for that, for the fact that they're actually making time for themselves. And I had been advised to change the name of my studio because it is too long for the Google search. But I resonate so much with the fact that everybody is making time to come and take care of themselves, to come and embrace in some community together, have some chats, talk about the footy, whatever it is they want to chat about before we get into creating that flexibility and movement back into everybody's day. And it's winter here at the moment in Western Australia, so we're really trying to just keep that movement going. Many of these people are over 60 years old, or they're all over 60 years old in this class in particular. And I have men and women in my classes, so don't think that this is just a ladies' sport or an athlete sport, or you have to have done Pilates many, many times before, because it's not. It's for anyone and everyone that wants to keep your body moving. It's such an important thing to add into your life. Now, I don't just have in studio, I also have an on-demand Pilates library that can be subscribed to, and it's very, very, very cheap, and there's over 70 different workouts in that. And I also do live streams, so you're able to live stream into this class, many of the classes, and you do the class with us but at your own home. So there's two ways of being able to do your workout at home, or you can come into the venue, and you get to have that community and connection. So I've just recorded a little bit of the beginning of class for you all. We always do some nice warming up with some foldovers or some stretching up and breathing in some nice fresh air and breathing out the old air. And then a few things either in standing, just to get the body warmed up before we go down onto the mat. So I'm just going to let the music play for the rest of this video, and if you want to join in a class, read through the description and you'll see there's multiple ways to be able to connect, to be able to do that. And I would love to be helping you make time for yourself and improving your flexibility and bringing back motion into your body that you thought was lost forever, and it's not. I can't get you back to perfect, but I can get you moving. It's a passion. I love it, and I would love to help you too. So in the description are the links, and I look forward to seeing some of you soon. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And as I said, the links are in the description.